Hey Kansas City, it's Dan with Good Earth Water Gardens. I wanted to share with you all an exciting event that water feature owners across the metro are getting ready for next month.
Mark your calendars for July 7th and July 8th, 2018 for the 25th Annual Water Garden Tour, brought to you by the Water Garden Society of Greater Kansas City. This year's self-guided tour offers a variety of 47 different homes, all with unique water features on their property. Whether you're looking for ideas and inspiration for your own yard, or if you'd like to plan something fun with the whole family, the Water Garden Tour is the perfect event. Tickets can be purchased for $10 at most major garden centers, along with participating Hen House and Westlake Ace hardware stores. Kids 14 under are completely free when accompanied by an adult.
So come experience the wonderful world of water gardening with us. For any questions, please feel free to reach out.